Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria Arellano. I am a professional photographer from Houston, Texas. In today's episode, we are going to be discussing TikTok and how I've used TikTok to build my business and become the most profitable I have ever been. As of today's episode, I am at 100,000 followers. It just happened yesterday, and I can't believe it. Combined, all of my social media does not equal a quarter of the amount of followers I have on TikTok. And it has been the most amazing experience building up my account up to the point that it is right now. But it's also been an incredible way for me to meet the perfect women who I love to work with. I have found my ideal customers and they are excited to work with me. As always, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Maribella Portraits_portraits. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you can get notifications every time a new episode lands. First, I wanted to tell you how I began my TikTok journey. I actually got on TikTok back in June, which is exactly a year ago. However, after uploading like a couple of videos, I just didn't get it. I didn't understand the platform. I didn't know like how to get people to watch my videos. It was just really confusing and I really wasn't into it, so I moved along. I continued to just focus on Facebook and my Finding Magic community, as well as my Goddess Portraits through my Facebook group. So I came back to TikTok in February. Well, really it was in January. I had one of my best friends that I grew up with. I've known her since middle school and she was amazing. She's super confident and beautiful. And I told her, let's make a TikTok just for fun. And we did. And that video reached 17,000 views within one day. Suddenly my mind was like, I am addicted. What is this? Like, what just happened? I still didn't really take it seriously because at the end of that month, I did have an in-person workshop here in the studio. So I really just kind of focused on preparing for my workshop. We did talk about it. I did a couple of TikToks, but I didn't really take it seriously. Then came February. So on February, I had 400 followers. And then from February to the point that I am now, which is now June. So within 4 months, I grew my following from 400 to 100,000 followers. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how I did it. My exact strategy for becoming the queen of TikTok. Just kidding, I'm not the queen, actually. I'm still a baby, to be honest. But I'm gonna give you the exact strategy of what I did. And the number one thing that I did was to create videos. The goal wasn't to create the best videos, it was just to make videos and post them every single day. I was aiming to post 3 videos per day, and this was going to be a non-negotiable for me because I really wanted to see what I could do within the platform. You're probably thinking, how on earth am I going to be able to post 3 videos a day? There's such a thing as batch editing. So this is what I do. I choose 2 days out of the week, usually Wednesdays and Thursdays, to just hang out, kind of do research on what I want to create. And then all I do is film all day, even with outfit changes. I like to create categories for the content I'm making. So my categories, for instance, are entertaining, emotional, goofy. I also like to think of my content as content that's either going to attract the people I want to work with or repel the people I don't want to work with. Once I think about my categories, I think about the topics that are important to my ideal clients. What are the things that they want to discuss? And then I plug them into those categories. For instance, styling. Women who look like me, I'm plus size, want to feel good in their clothes, but they may not know how to style themselves for photo shoots. So I love to create videos that tell them exactly what to get, where to shop, and what's gonna look great on their bodies for the two-dimensional world of photography. This one's heavy. That one's heavy. Yes, so then the next thing we wanna do is we wanna do our research. You wanna go through the For You page. All you have to do, well, there's two things. You can go through your For You page, just kind of use your finger and scroll through until you find something that you like, that you think is funny or entertaining or educational, just anything that inspires you. Hit that favorite button, or actually you want to hit the share button, and then there's a little part right there that says save to favorites. Save it to your favorites so you can go back to it and then use that as inspiration for creating your own TikTok, giving it your own personal twist. So now you've done all of your research. The next thing you can do is go over to the discovery page. The discovery page is going to be at the bottom of your TikTok. You're going to click on that, and that's going to be able to show you what hashtags are trending and what music is trending. This way, you can use the popular songs to create amazing TikTok videos that are more likely to be shown to more viewers. Let's talk about your first goal if you're just starting out your TikTok. The number one goal you want to have if you're starting from 0 followers is to get you to 1,000 followers. And I'm going to tell you why. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you're going to get two things. One of them is the ability to use a professional link on your profile, as well as being able to go live. Going live, you say? Yes. You're going to get to go live. You're going to get to be able to talk to your potential customers right there live and in person. And you're going to be able to tell them everything there is to know about you and the photography experience that you have to offer them, or business experience if you're in another type of business and you just happen to land here. One way to get around the link thing is to go ahead and set up a business account, and that will allow you to use a link on your profile. The only issue with that is that if you're set up as a business account, you may not be able to use the popular trending songs. So I really think that you can switch over from business to creator at any given time. But if you really want to get that link on your profile, which to me should be a priority, it's super important. It's going to drive people to your website where you can actually sell your products. So if it was me and I was starting over, I definitely would start on a business account and then switch it to a creator account as soon as I hit 1,000 followers. Remember, TikTok is still social media, so be social. Find your favorite creators and engage with them. Find people who are also into the things that you're also into. You know what I do? Here's the secret. I search for the hashtags that revolve around my city, and then I look for my ideal clients through those hashtags. And I follow them, I comment, and I say hello. So let's keep it simple. Let's set a goal of at least posting 1 video per day. And in these videos, you want to create content that's going to educate them on the product that you use, or it's going to help them solve a problem that they might have. So let's talk about my account. Some of the problems that I help women with are posing problems, because everybody wants to feel beautiful in front of the camera. So I am creating content that allows them to feel empowered and confident. And at the same time, it also helps them be introduced to me, and I earn their trust, and they start to see me as someone that's reliable and that also knows what they're doing. So overall, this was just kind of a quick summary of what you can do today in order to start building up your TikTok following. Just remember the importance of having that link, and then drive those people exactly where you need them to go. So if you're a boutique and you're selling dresses, guess what? Send them over to your shop. If you're a photographer and you need to set up some consultations, then send them over to your scheduler so that they can schedule consultation with you, and then you'll have the opportunity to tell them about what you do and get them to buy your products. Hello. Now for a step-by-step course so that you can see exactly what I did and how I did it, I do have a TikTok course that you can purchase. I'm gonna put the link in my bio. You're welcome to check it out. I'm continuing to add to it, and in the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna add 100 video ideas so that you can create your first 100 videos for TikTok. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I love you. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm so glad you're here. Have a great day.